Hello everyone, my name is Jastine Ray, and I've got some good news for all of you. All you need to do is to sit back, relax, enjoy, and don't forget to learn, For today, I will unlock the key topics of the IM 325. By the way, what is IM 325? Okay, the IM 325 course is all about giving students both the practical know-how and the theoretical understanding of behavior. Got it? Of course you've got it. Now let's tackle one by one the key topics of IM 325. Are you ready? First, we have Introduction to IO and Management. So imagine you're stepping into the world of work, right? Well, Introduction to IO and Management is like your friendly guide, introducing you to the ins and outs of how people behave in the workplace. We're talking about everything from what makes workers react to how leaders lead their teams. It's like opening the layers of what makes a workplace run smoothly, from keeping everyone motivated to making sure everyone's happy with their jobs. Basically, it's a course in understanding how people and organizations interact to make things happen. Ups, why is Introduction to IO and Management important to learn? Understanding Introduction to IO and Management is important because it's like getting the inside scoop on how workplaces function. For example, you're preparing up for your future job, right? Well, this course is like a tool. It helps you figure out why people act the way they do at work, what makes them happy or unhappy, and how leaders can lead teams effectively. Basically, it's all about learning the tricks of the trade to make your work life smoother. Second, key topic of IM 325 was the organizational design and structure. By the way, what is organizational design and structure? Organizational design and structure are like draft for how a company is set up and how it operates. Imagine a big building. The design is how the rooms are laid out, and the structure is the framework that holds everything together. In a company, organizational design decides things like who reports to who, how tasks are divided, and how decisions are made. The structure is the way all these parts fit together to make the company work smoothly. Organizational design and structure are important because they help a company run efficiently and effectively. Let's put it into a simple board game. Imagine a chess piece. If the pieces aren't arranged correctly, the board won't be good to look at. Similarly, if a company's design and structure aren't well planned, things can get messy. Good design and structure make it clear who does what, how decisions are made, and how information flows. This helps everyone know their role. The third key topic of the IM 325 is the job forecasting. What is job forecasting? Job forecasting is the process of predicting future job trends. It involves figuring out what kinds of jobs will be in demand and how many people will be needed for those jobs. This helps people and businesses prepare for the future. How does job forecasting works? First, gather information. Collect data about current job trends, economic conditions, technology changes, and other factors that affect employment. Gathering information is important in job forecasting because it provides the foundation for making accurate predictions about future job trends. Second, analyze trends. Look at the data to identify patterns and trends. For example, if more people are using technology, there might be more jobs in tech fields. By analyzing trends, businesses and people will be fully aware on what products and services are currently rising on the market field. Thus, it helps them to adapt to the agile business environment. Third, make predictions. Use the analyzed data to predict which jobs will grow, which will shrink, and what new jobs might appear. This is important because it helps people plan their careers and businesses prepare for the future. Lastly, plan and prepare. Use these predictions to help people choose careers and help businesses plan for hiring. Use these predictions to help people choose careers and help businesses plan for hiring. This is important in job forecasting because it helps everyone get ready for future job market changes. The next key topic of the IM 325 to be tackled is the SMART goals. SMART goals are a structured approach to setting and achieving objectives effectively. Did you know that SMART goals has a meaning? SMART stands for S specific, M achievable, R relevant, T time-bound. Specific. Your goal should be clear and specific, answering the questions of who, what, where, when, and why. Example. Our goal is to increase our online sales revenue by 20% in the next 6 months. Next. Measurable. A measurable goal allows you to track your progress and know when you've achieved it. Example. We will increase our online sales by 20% in the next 6 months by upgrading our marketing strategies. Achievable. The goal should be realistic and attainable, considering your resources and constraints. For example, I will attend different seminars to develop my marketing strategies. Relevant. Your goals should align with your broader objectives and be meaningful to you. Example, attending seminars will not just improve my strategies, but also my time-bound. The goal should have a deadline or time frame to create a sense of urgency and help you focus. Example, by the end of the week, I must create a beautiful marketing strategies to convey more customers. The last key topic of the IM 325 to be followed is the decision-making and management skills through theories on cognitive development, emotional intelligence, and moral development. Ahem. What is decision-making and management skills through theories on cognitive development, emotional intelligence, and moral development? Good decision-making and management are key to leadership success. These skills improve by understanding how people think, cognitive development, handle emotions, emotional intelligence, and make ethical choices, moral development. Cognitive development is about how people learn and think as they grow up. Knowing this helps managers understand their team's abilities. Example, in management. Managers can give clear instructions to those who need them and more complex tasks to the OJTs for the people who can handle them. Emotional intelligence, EI. Handling emotions. Well, emotional intelligence is about understanding and managing your own emotions and the emotions of others. For example, team leaders with high emotional intelligence can solve conflicts, motivate their team, and create a positive work environment. Moral development. Moral development is about how people learn to make ethical and fair decisions. That is why knowing what is right from wrong. For example, telling the truth in the workplace, even though it costs your friendship. I know it's very difficult to be good, even though it costs your friendship, but still, that is right thing to do. Actually, the cognitive development, emotional intelligence, EI, and the moral development doesn't only apply on the business field, it is also applicable to the classroom matters. So before leaving the four corners of the room, it is really necessary for us to learn. So that's it for today, guys. This is Jastine Ray once again. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. See ya.